Hello everyone. Today I'd like to take a minute to talk about where you can go to get help when you have FPV related questions. So most of you probably found out about FPV from a cool video you ran across on YouTube, or maybe a friend shared something on Facebook, or you ran into a Facebook group. And you know that those are great resources to get a lot of your questions answered. Personally, I also found Reddit pretty quickly and have had a lot of success getting my questions and answers relayed through Reddit. But I just recently ran across this really great website called FPV Compare that has a nice chart where they list the most popular YouTube channels, the largest Facebook groups, and the biggest subreddits that are all related to FPV. Now, this is by no means a comprehensive list, but I think it's a great place to help you just sort of get started and find the resources that you might be looking for, whether you like to get your help from YouTube channels or Facebook groups or subreddits. Now, for those of us that have been around long before YouTube, Facebook, or Reddit were ever a thing, you might be more comfortable using a discussion forum-based website to ask your questions and get help. One great example of this is the IntoFPV forum created by Oscar Liang. And this is another website that I try to visit very frequently and keep up with what's going on almost daily. Now, if you want a more real-time back and forth interaction with other FPV pilots, then you might want to check out the various FPV-related Discord servers that are out there. I have a whole video on my channel where I go over the Discord servers that I know and use regularly, and you can find a link to that in the video description. And finally, that brings me to the main reason that I created this video, and that's to let you all know about a new resource for all your questions. It's called the Drones and Model Aircraft Beta Stack Exchange website. And you can get there by going to drones.stackexchange.com. And if you're not familiar with it, Stack Exchange is a network of question and answer websites on a variety of topics in all sorts of fields. Each site covers a specific topic where questions, answers, and users are subject to a reputation award process. So basically that means you vote on the questions that you like, you vote on the answers that you like, and I guess you're giving reputation to the people who created those questions and those answers. And in the end, the goal is to have a website that's sort of curated and managed and has nothing, well, hopefully nothing but some of the best questions and answers out there. And hopefully if you Google search for your questions, the website pops up and you can find the most appropriate answer for the question you have right away. So Stack Exchange is probably most well known for their Stack Overflow website, which is one where you go to get your computer programming related questions answered. And that's something I've used for a very long time. So Stack Exchange has a really high bar for getting a new website created, and so far this drone group has managed to meet all those requirements and to get to the point of a public beta. So now that it's in a public beta phase, we can all go there, ask questions, and perhaps more importantly, help answer questions that others have and vote on the best responses. Then hopefully over time the website will become a great repository of helpful information that we can all use. Well, that's going to do it for me today. What other great resources do you all use that I missed? As always, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.